Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming the laptop model and exact Nvidia GPU. This matters because drivers differ by model. Once done, back up any critical files and switch the power profile to high performance so installations don't throttle. Now, download the matching Nvidia driver package for your OS, Windows, or Linux so you have the installer ready. This first step saves time and prevents mismatches. Make sure the version supports your chipset, and note whether you need studio or game-ready drivers. You should run the installer as administrator and pick Clean Install to remove old driver remnants. This avoids conflicts that cause crashes. During setup, install the Nvidia control panel and GeForce Experience if you want automatic updates and game profiles. Once installed, open the control panel to assign the preferred GPU per application and set Global FIS X to the Nvidia GPU. This ensures demanding apps actually use the discrete card rather than integrated graphics for optimal performance. You finish by rebooting and testing the GPU with GPU-Z or a lightweight benchmark. Check clocks and temperatures to confirm expected behavior. If you encounter a black screen or instability, boot into safe mode, roll back the driver, and then reinstall using Clean Install. This resolves most driver corruption cases. Finally, only update BIOS or chipset drivers if problems persist, and document each change so you can revert. That keeps your system stable and helps isolate root causes.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.